right, let's read it. Gail needs to buy 32 pencils. She can buy single pencils or boxes of 10 pencils. What are the different ways Gail can buy 32 pencils? Okay, in our box here, it says, what do I need to find? Whenever it asks you that question, boys and girls, it's basically the question. Okay? What do you need to find? You need to find different ways Gail can buy 32 pencils. So they didn't put Gail, they said she instead. But it already has it on there for you. Ways she can buy 32 pencils. Okay? What information do we need to use from up here in that story? Well, we know that she can buy single pencils, or she can buy boxes of 10 pencils. So down here we're going to find all the ways she can buy these pencils. Okay? Very good. Remember, Mrs. Ackerman can just stop and let you do this on your own and not help you at all if you are not going to listen. Right? Okay, so I do expect all eyes to be up here. And then if I write something, you probably should be writing something too. Do you understand? Okay, they said draw quick pictures for 32. Complete the chart. They already said that you could buy 3 boxes for 32, 3 boxes of 10s. Okay? If you bought, this is the picture for that. If you bought 3 10s, how many ones would you need for 32? Just 2 ones. So they already did that for you, boys and girls. Okay? Then they said, well, instead of buying 3 boxes, maybe she only bought 2. So here's your 2. Well, then how many more did you need? Well, that's 10 and then 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay? So then they showed you the second way to do it. Now they're saying instead of doing 2 boxes of 10s, still got 1 box of 10s. So let's draw that 1 box of 10s right there. But guys, if we only have 1 box of 10s, we're going to have to draw a lot of 1s. So you need to draw your circles small. And we're going to draw them in groups of 5. Okay? So we're going to go 5 down. And then we'll do the next 5. And then the next 5. Understand? Yeah. Until we get to 32. Okay. So we have 110. How much is that? 1. So now we're going to, no, how much is that? Not 1, but 10. So then this circle would be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm going to stop just for a minute, just so everybody make sure y'all are keeping up. Okay, we're only at 20, right? We have to get all the way to 32, so we have to draw some more. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We still got to get to 32. 31, 32. Okay, now boys and girls, we got to 32, But we don't know how many singles we have. All these over here are your singles. Does that make sense? So now we need to count all the circles we made. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 single pencils. Now, boys and girls, I know I got into the other box, but I hope you guys didn't.
Yeah.
You got into this box?
No.
That's what I'm saying. I hope you didn't get in that box. Okay, good. All right, now, boys and girls, on the last one, if there are 0 boxes of 10, now this should be easy. If there are no 10s, how many ones would we have to draw then?
32.
32. Okay, it's like pennies. Pennies are only worth 1 cent. If I don't have any dimes, okay, which are 10 cents, if I have no dimes, and I needed to get 32 cents with only pennies, I'd have to do 32 pennies. They're only worth 1. So now we have to draw 32 pennies in groups of 5, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And how many was that we drew? 32. Okay, so that's all the ways to make 32. All the ways she could buy 32 pencils. It's a lot, right?
Yep.
A lot of circles. Yes, Emma.
When I do all my homework, my mom lets me play Chocoboco on her phone.
Awesome.
It's like real life.
Okay, turn your page over, please. Okay. Find a pattern to solve. All right, boys and girls, we're going to find these patterns for these, okay? Let's read the story. Sarah is putting away a pile of 36 crayons. She can pack them in boxes of 10 crayons or as single crayons. What are all the different ways Sarah can pack the crayons? Looks like there's at least 4 ways because there's 4 boxes, right? So over here, let's try to draw a big box and then cut it into 4s. Kind of like the other one was. Okay, we're going to try all the ways to make 42 or 36. Boys and girls, when you were just thinking about 36, how many 10s would you do? 36. How many 10s is in the number 36? 3. 36. 3. So let's do 3 boxes of 10 first. And actually, you probably wouldn't even have to draw this because then how many single crowns would you do? 3 is your 10s, then what's your 1s number? For 36. If 3 is your 10s, what's your 1s number? 6. So you know what? We don't even have to draw that. Okay? But now we are going to have to draw because now you have to do less than that, which is 2 boxes. Or 2 tens. So let's draw 2 tens. And now we have to draw all the ones to get to 36. How much is 2 tens? 20. Okay, so we're going to draw 5 more and 5 more and 5 more until we get to 36. Okay? So we have 20. So then, yep, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You guys should be okay. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What are we going to? 36, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, let's count how many ones we have. So we counted and we said there are 16 ones. That goes with our 2 tens. 16 ones. Okay? Now we're going to do another picture with 1 1. And we'll do all the other ones to see how many we're going to do. I'm going to pause this so we don't run out of time. Okay, so looking at this, boys and girls, we said the pattern for this box is that it is jumping down or it's going down by ones. This one is going up by 10. Okay. That is what those are going to all do. Let's look and see in number 2 if it happens the same way. Okay? We're going to check out number 2 and see if it still goes up or goes down by ones and goes up by tens. Okay, Mr. Winter's putting away 48 chairs. You can put them in stacks of 10 or as single chairs, which is 1. If you're single, it's only you, there's 1. What are the different ways Mr. Winter can put away the chairs? Okay, our number is 48, right? How many tens should we have when we start? Looking at 48. How many tens? 4 tens. So we have to start out with 4, not 3 this time. Start out with 4 this time. So write that in that box for the tens. How many ones would you have? If you have 4 tens, how many ones would you have? 8. Yep, we're doing. Okay, now, we can draw this or we can probably just do it the way we have learned now. So if we are following the pattern, what should this be? 3. Okay, but then we have to jump up 10 more from 8. Count 10 more from 8. What is that? 18. Remember, this is like 0, 8. Now you have 1, 8. Remember, when we count by tens, the ones stay the same. The tens number goes up by 1. Okay, if we're still going in this pattern, what will be after 3? In the next box. Emma? 2. Okay. Now, if we are going up by tens, what's after 18 by counting by tens, but starting at 8? 28. Okay, let's raise our hands a little bit more, okay? That way I'm counting other people. Okay, if we're going still in this pattern, what's the next one going to be, Hudson? Right here, the tens.
It's going to be 1.
1. Okay, now looking at the singles, if we're going up by 10.
38.
Hey, I said no shouting out. Okay, yes, 38. Okay, now once again, in your tens, you would have what in the tens place, Vivian? Over here. 0. which would make then on you go to the tens, that would be, or the ones, we're jumping 10.